Hi friends, welcome to another video of cooking stories. Today we will see how to prepare traditional Malabar style Chicken Kunji Pathiri. First we will marinate our chicken. For half kg chicken, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric and half lemon. Mix it properly and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take marinated chicken in a cooker. Add 2 sliced onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, small piece ginger, 3 green chillies and 1 tablespoon chopped coconut pieces. Now add 4 tablespoons of water and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now let's prepare our masala for chicken curry. For this we will need 6 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 8 dried red chillies and 8 garlic cloves with 1 tablespoon of oil. Roast till we get a nice smell of coriander. Grind it to a paste with 2 tablespoons of water. In the same kadhai, add 8 tablespoons of grated coconut, few curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Saute it for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon pepper. Now fry till it turns golden brown. Once the mixture cools down, grind it to a paste by adding 2 tablespoons of water. Let's take around 6 cups of water and boil it. We will need this for our pathiri dough. We will need 3 cups of rice powder, around 1 teaspoon salt, Now we will slowly add hot water to it till it becomes nice dough. Our dough is ready. Now make small balls out of it and slightly press it in the middle. Now our rice pathiris are ready to be steamed. Now take water in a steamer and steam these rice dumplings for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our pathiris will be cooked. So now let's continue with our chicken preparation. So by now the pressure would have been released from the cooker and our chicken should be cooked nicely. Now add the coriander paste which we prepared earlier along with some water. Boil it for 5 minutes. Once boiled, add coconut paste along with half cup of water and let it boil for some more time. Now add few curry leaves and few coriander leaves and mix it nicely. Now for tadka, take 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and few curry leaves. Once tadka is ready, add it to the chicken gravy. Now our gravy is ready. We will add our steamed rice pathiris to it and mix it nicely. Cook it for some time and then finally add around 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and mix it once again. And our mouth-watering Malabar style chicken kunji pathiri is ready.